Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? Well, tonight, we're going to explore a different kind of cosmic question. Can we travel through time? Science fiction movies are filled with time-hopping adventures, but is it just fantasy, or could it actually be possible? For centuries, scientists and philosophers have grappled with this mind-bending concept. While there's no definitive answer yet, there have been some intriguing theories and even stranger experiments. Today, we're going to delve into the story of Dr. Chen, a brilliant physicist obsessed with the idea of time travel. Unlike the time machines we see in movies, Dr. Chen wasn't building a flashy contraption with blinking lights and whirring gears. Her approach was far more unorthodox. This, my friends, is a Kozyrev mirror. Named after Russian inventor Nikolai Kozyrev, this seemingly ordinary-looking device has sparked a lot of controversy in the scientific community. Kozyrev believed that these mirrors, made from specific materials and polished to a high degree, could somehow manipulate time. Sounds pretty out there, right? Dr. Chen was fascinated by Kozyrev's theories. She spent years researching the properties of these mirrors and conducting her own experiments. One key element in her research was a specific type of liquid solution she believed enhanced the mirror's supposed time-altering properties. Now, the exact details of Dr. Chen's experiment get a little complicated. She used lasers, specific frequencies of light, and complex calculations. But the core idea was simple: to somehow use the Kozyrev mirror to see glimpses of the future. Day after day, Dr. Chen conducted her experiment. Skeptics scoffed, colleagues questioned her sanity. But Dr. Chen was driven by an unshakable belief in the unknown. Then, one night, something extraordinary happened. As Dr. Chen gazed into the swirling reflections of the Kozyrev mirror, she saw it, a vision unlike anything she'd ever witnessed. Images flashed before her eyes, a bustling cityscape unlike anything she recognized, strange clothing, futuristic technology. It was a glimpse of a future far different from her own. Was it real? A hallucination? A trick of the light? Dr. Chen couldn't explain what she'd seen, but it was undeniable: the Kozyrev mirror had shown her something extraordinary. This newfound experience fueled Dr. Chen's determination. She documented everything, poring over her notes, trying to decipher the meaning of the vision. Could she replicate it? Was it a one-time event, or a gateway to a future she could explore further? Unfortunately, Dr. Chen's story doesn't have a clear ending. Despite repeated attempts, she couldn't seem to recreate the vision. The scientific community remained unconvinced, dismissing her claims as mere delusion. The fate of Dr. Chen's research is shrouded in mystery. Did she abandon the project? Did she continue her experiments in secret? No one knows for sure. So, did Dr. Chen truly see the future? Was the Kozyrev mirror a portal to time, or just a curious scientific dead end? The truth, as always, lies somewhere in the great unknown. This is where you, the viewers, come in. We've explored Dr. Chen's story, but the mystery of time travel remains wide open. Here's where things get interesting. Let's delve into the science behind Kozyrev mirrors, even though it's a bit unconventional. Kozyrev's theory centered around the idea that light and time are somehow intertwined. He believed that these specially designed mirrors, with their curved shape and reflective surface, could concentrate and alter light in a way that affected the flow of time within the mirror itself. Now, This goes against everything we know about physics. According to mainstream science, time is a one-way street, always moving forward. But Kozyrev's theory proposed that under certain conditions, time might bend or even loop back on itself. Of course, this is all highly speculative. There's no concrete scientific evidence to support Kozyrev's claims. Many physicists believe the effects he observed, if any, were simply optical illusions or misinterpretations of natural phenomena. That's where you come in. We want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us what you think. Is time travel possible? Could Dr. Chen have actually glimpsed the future? Maybe there's a scientific explanation for Kozyrev mirrors that we haven't discovered yet. Perhaps future breakthroughs in physics will shed light on the relationship between light and time. The quest to understand time travel continues to this day. Scientists are exploring theories like wormholes, black holes, and even the possibility of manipulating gravity to create time warps. Who knows, maybe one day we'll crack the code and unlock the secrets of time. But even if traditional time travel turns out to be impossible, the idea itself continues to inspire. It pushes the boundaries of our imagination and forces us to question the very nature of reality. While Kozyrev's experiments with mirrors haven't proven time travel, they've sparked our curiosity about the nature of time itself. Let's delve a little deeper into the scientific quest to understand time and explore some alternative avenues beyond mirrors, the grandfather paradox. This thought experiment highlights a major hurdle for time travel to the past. Imagine going back in time and preventing your own grandfather from meeting your grandmother. This would essentially erase your own existence. The grandfather paradox suggests that altering the past in a way that contradicts your own presence creates a logical inconsistency. The closed time-like curve. This concept, within the realm of theoretical physics, proposes the possibility of self-consistent time travel loops. In a CTC, travel to the past wouldn't necessarily involve changing the past, but rather traveling along a predetermined path that already incorporates your arrival. Think of it like a pre-written story where your time travel experience is already woven into the narrative. So, is time travel possible? The answer, for now, remains a tantalizing mystery. But one thing's for sure, the human desire to explore the unknown, to reach beyond the present moment, will continue to fuel our scientific endeavors and fuel our stories for years to come. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. And in the comments below, let us know your thoughts on time travel and the Kozyrev mirror. Who knows, maybe your ideas will be the spark that ignites the next great scientific discovery.